Hi, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn the second method to read and write JSON data. So it's a very quick tutorial. First we are going to discover how to use Marshal and Unmarshal functions. Finally we'll present a very quick comparison between this method and the last one presented in the previous video. We're still working on the same structure of data as the previous video. In the main utility, we define the user variable, which holds the desired data. You can also see the use of JSON.Marshal function, which accepts a reference to the user variable. Note that the Marshal function requires a pointer variable that converts into the JSON format. Now let's perform the Unmarshal operation. The JSON.Unmarshal function gets JSON input and converts it into a Go structure. As it happened with Marshal function, Unmarshal function also requires a pointer argument. Now let's execute this program. As you see here, the marshalling result is a JSON object and the unmarshalling result is a Go structure. It's time now to answer a so important question. Which pair of these functions deliver a good performance? Encode, decode, or Marshal and Unmarshal? Well, the main difference between them is that the encode and decode pair work on single objects, whereas the Marshal and Unmarshal pair can work on multiple objects as well as streams of bytes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.